This lemon foot soak can help detoxify your whole body. At the end of the day, millions of people feel too tired, in pains, and in a bad mood, just because they have been standing during most of the day, or have been walking in uncomfortable shoes or high heels. Unfortunately, we rarely pay attention to our feet, even though they bear the heavy load of our body weight during the entire day, and support all our movements. Therefore, issues like varicose veins, cracked heels, and fungal infections are quite common, but fortunately, there are natural ways to treat them. There is nothing better than a nice, warm, soothing foot soak after a long day at work, but this practice will also support your overall health. Namely, foot soaks destroy fungi and bacteria, and are an excellent way to detoxify the entire body. If you add salts to the soak, you will optimize your iodine levels, relieve pain, and relax the entire body. Here is how to prepare a simple foot soak. Ingredients: peppermint essential oil, Epsom salt, mint tea, olive oil, lemon juice, a bowl of hot water. Instructions: add all the ingredients in the bowl with hot water, and soak the feet in it for 15 minutes. Afterward, rinse with water, and scrub the feet with a pumice stone to eliminate the dead skin cells. In this way, you will relieve stress, as Epsom salt is a rich magnesium source, and eliminate all toxins accumulated in the body, enhancing your overall health. Additionally, foot baths stimulate the reflexology points on the feet, soothe the numerous nerves, and thus soothe the mind, and create a feeling of well-being and relaxation.